Symfony 2024 year in review. I'm a PHP dev. I do a lot of Symfony work. I do a lot of Laravel work. Again, it's very important to keep yourself knowledgeable as to what has changed and what has progressed in the frameworks that you use. So I'm just gonna, I won't read the whole thing, but I'll just go through it. It's a blog post that highlights the accomplishments of the Symfony project in 2024. There's loads that they've done, right? Loads and loads that they've done. So that we've released 2 new major versions, Symfony 7.1 in May and Symfony 7.2 in November. They also published 58 maintenance versions across 6 branches, which is 5.4, 6.3, 6.4, 7.0, 7.1, and 7.2. In addition, they published 296 blog posts, including 48 new Symfony articles explaining the new features introduced in 7.1 and 7.2. And I have been looking at some of these new features, and they are really, really quite cool. And perhaps I'm going to be doing some tutorials on these things in the coming months, perhaps. We also published, they say, 52 a week in Symfony blog posts, reaching nearly 950 weekly posts since we started, making it one of the longest running series in the entire tech industry. That's an interesting claim there. Okay, so then there's got lots of events and conferences. So they had a lot of Symfony Online things. So Symfony Online was in January, June. There's also Symfony Live in Paris and Vienna. Sadly, I couldn't make any of those in 2024. But there are. This is what I really like about this page is they list events. So there's Symfony Online in January. There's Symfony Day in Chicago. There's Symfony Live in Paris. There's Symfony Live in Berlin. There's Symfony Online in June. Symfony Con in Amsterdam. So that's pretty cool. And then you got the dates there. So the first one, Symfony Online, is January the 16th to the 17th. So wouldn't it be amazing to travel to one of these conferences that are, maybe in Berlin or Amsterdam or Chicago? That would be pretty awesome, wouldn't it? Wouldn't it be even better to talk at one of these? They are. You can already send your call for papers, CFPs, and buy your tickets for these conferences, and then stay tuned for additional conference announcements. So yeah, again, I'll provide links to these pages in the show notes as well. This is an incredible amount of stats here. Symfony components surpassed 27 billion downloads in 2024. That is breathtaking. That is amazing. So Symfony components surpassed 27 billion downloads in 2024, 500 million in 2026, in 2016, 1 billion in 2017, 3 billion in 2019, 6 billion in 2020, 10 billion in 2021, 15 billion in 2022, and 20 billion in 2023. In 2024, 27 billion. That is incredible. That is absolutely incredible. In 2024, we released several new components. These are all listed here. I won't go through them all. There's also lots of, they published 11 security advisories, and there is a shout out to the various maintainers of the Symfony code and Symfony docs. Again, I'll put all of these links in the show notes too. And that they end with a very good overall. This was a great year for Symfony. All this was possible thanks to your continuous support. Thanks for being part of the Symfony community. Look forward to an incredible 2025 when we'll celebrate the 20th Symfony anniversary and the release of Symfony 8.0. Oh yes, I will be definitely there for that. Definitely.